What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be making easy Pico De Gallo with the Mueller Pro Series multi-chop. First, start by chopping the stems and halving your jalapenos. At this point, you can remove the seeds with a spoon. Chop them up, lay on your chopper, and chop. Next, cut your one onion into wedges and cut those wedges in halves, essentially making eighths, and chop. Next, get your Roma tomatoes and cut them into wedges. I like to remove the seeds from my tomatoes, so I use my thumb to do this. Gets a little messy, but not a bad cleanup. And when you're finished with that, chop. Next, grab your bunch of cilantro, chop the top off and run your knife through it. Watch out for your thumbs. Press down and roll on your limes and juice them. I used a 1/4 cup of lime juice. I adjusted the lime juice later on using about 5 limes. Add it all to a bowl. Mix thoroughly to combine. I used roughly a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together, put the lid on, put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. This is great on tacos, with chips, burrito bowls, however you want to have it. It is a very good, simple Pico De Gallo to make for your family. Hope you enjoy it.